Step onto your private landing of your private floor of this magnificent penthouse in the heart of Greenwich Village. I'm Leonard Steinberg of Compass. Let me take you on a tour. This building was converted from a 1910 structure into 8 unique apartments by Nate Berkus, one of Architectural Digest's 100 top interior designers. Each room has been individually considered as to how you might live in this apartment as opposed to purely aesthetics. And that all starts here in this great room, a wonderful area to relax and unwind at the end of a day. What was once a large room has been divided into 2 separate spaces, connected by 3 openings. On this side of the great room, we have a more relaxed living area, as well as the dining room. And on this side of the great room, we have a more formal setting, perfect for your more prized furnishings and art. So now let me point out some architectural details, like this bow window that floods the entire room with beautiful southern light. And this view reminds you that you're in the most desired of all neighborhoods in Manhattan. Not only do you have windows in all directions, you also have extraordinary ceiling height and wall space for that important art collection. Now let's head off to the heart of the home, the kitchen. This kitchen is not just a kitchen, this is another living room. Yes, this kitchen has an exquisite island, beautiful big slabs of marble, custom cabinetry, dishwasher, the works. But it's the one element besides the natural light that draws everyone's attention, the Lacanche range. A range of this quality may even get someone like Jean-Georges to come over and cook a meal. And here is where you could eat that magnificent meal in a built-in banquette. There are 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms on this floor. And this bedroom is set up as a home office where you can pay your taxes. But let me show you the primary suite. Who wouldn't want to start their day in this dreamy bedroom bathed in natural light from all sides? Perched amidst the treetops, it houses both a bed as well as a wonderful seating area. The primary suite is its own private wing. It houses a bedroom, huge walk-in closet, and a sumptuous bathroom. The materiality and detailing of this bathroom are a sight to behold. In fact, it makes this entire primary suite something truly extraordinary. Now follow me upstairs. The upstairs living room is akin to a conservatory with a private terrace. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow light from the south and the west to flood this room all day long, all year round. Just picture yourself on this swanky sofa having a cocktail. But let me show you the pièce de résistance, the terrace. Everyone dreams of a private terrace in Greenwich Village, but this is more than a terrace. This is an outdoor living room. You have ample seating for both dining and living, and then just check out those views. So many people dream of living in Greenwich Village. Owning this penthouse takes it to the next level. A home infused with light and views and beautiful design. And don't forget that terrace. Thanks for joining me.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?